In this year AUC International Day, over 30 countries come together to celebrate AUC's vibrant global community. People witnessed a variety of activities and experiences. Such activities highlighted the diverse culture and traditions within our community.
I really enjoyed that. I knew about the different culture and see the traditional clothes of each nationality, and there is a lot of food that that shows how much each country is different from the other, and it's really enjoyable and the vibes are very, very amazing.
To me, International Day is extremely important because for us as Palestinians at AUC, it's important for us to showcase our culture, our traditions, more than just to talk about the genocide in Gaza and the ongoing use of force in the West Bank, and of course the occupation of Palestine as a whole. It's quite important to balance both, and this is an opportunity for us to show our traditions, show our food, show our beautiful flag, our beautiful trees, and the thobe. So it's extremely important, and it's extremely heartwarming to see all of these beautiful cultures out here. Thank you.
Again, students, for anyone who has a lecture, please head to it right now.
Attendees enjoyed culture-themed activities including photo opportunities and workshops. Every year, AUC International Day highlights a vibrant celebration of culture, community, and collaboration, showcasing the rich diversity of our student body. This was Alaa Elmahdi reporting for AUCTV.